What you're going to be doing today is creating a drop-down menu within a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So what you have on the screen right now is some basic data, and we have two identical columns, and then there's a third column. This third column is where we're going to create a drop-down that contains the values that you see here. So the first thing that you should do is select the cell where the drop-down will actually appear. Come up to the menu and select data, then select data validation, and then in the criteria selection field, you want to select from this drop-down list of items. You want to type out the list of items that you want to actually show and separate them by comma. And these should be typed out exactly as you would like for them to show in the drop-down, and then separate it by comma. In this case, we want $100, $200, $300. You can leave all the other settings the way that they are and hit save. And just like that, you now have a drop-down that contains the values that you configured. If we would like for all of these cells to also contain that same information, you simply bring your mouse cursor over to the lower right hand corner of the cell you're in, click and drag down as far as you would like for these drop down to appear, release, and there you have it. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.